Hello, we're going to get started with foundations today, okay? I'm going to go through our sound cards. You need to repeat after me, okay? V, van, v. W, wind, wa. B, bat, ba. C, cat, k. M, man, m. A, apple, a. R, rat, L, lamp, ol. E, ed, e. U, up, J, jug, ja. T, tot, t. D, dog, d. P, Pam, pa. Y, yellow, ya. X, fox, x. K, kite, k. Z, zebra, z. F, fun, f. N, nut, n. O, octopus, ah. G, game, g. S, snake, s. Q, u, queen, qua. H, hat, h. C, k, sock, k. T, h, thumb, W, h, whistle, wa. C, h, chin, ch. S, h, ship, sh. I, itch, eh. All right, I hope you guys did that with me at home, okay? If you didn't, go back to the beginning and do it again, okay? All right, so last week we talked about, actually 2 weeks ago, we talked about the idea of a glued sound, okay? So a glued sound is when we have 3 letters or 2 letters and we say them all together, okay? For example, A-L-L, ball, all, right? We say A-L-L all together, right? Okay. So we're going to learn 2 more today, okay? So go ahead and say A-L-L, ball, all. Say A-M, ham, am. Say A-N, fan, an. All right, so we're going to practice with some of these words, okay? All right, so the first one that we're going to practice with is bam, okay? Everybody say bam. All right, so I am going to put a box around the sound that we say all together, okay? All right, so ba-am, bam. Do it with me. Ba-am, bam. All right, let's do 2 more. T-am, tam. All right, let's do k-am, cam. All right, so that again is A-M, ham, am. Say it with me. A-M, ham, am. And that is a glued sound. Say glued sound. All right, the second one that we are introducing today is an. Say A-N, fan, an. All right. Again, I'm going to put a box around the sound that needs to be said together. All right, so an, ran. Make sure you tap it out with me. An, tan. An, pan. Okay, so say it. A-N, fan, an. And A-M, ham, am. A-L-L, ball, all. Those are our 3 glued sounds that we have learned so far. A-L-L, ball, all. A-M, fan, ham, A-M, ham, am, and A-N, fan, an. Okay, guys, that is it for foundations.